AI videos are blowing up right now. Everywhere you look, someone's dropping celebrity-style edits, and kids' content is all over the feed. But here's the problem. If you want to make videos like that, you need AI generation tools, and most of them? Yeah, they cost money. So if you've been searching for free text-to-video or image-to-video tools and almost gave up, relax. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 5 best completely free AI video generators available right now. They might not give you unlimited access, but trust me, you can easily make 40 to 50 videos a day with these. That means no more stressing about content creation. Just keep showing up and stay consistent. So stick around till the end because this video is 100% going to help you out. Alright, let's start with our first AI tool. It is Kling AI. With this one, you can actually generate over 20 videos a day, completely for free. Sounds good, right? Let me show you how. Once you open the site, you'll see a clean and simple interface. Just type your prompt in the text box. For example, I used this one. Ultra-realistic, cinematic. In the center, a young, eccentric king in a luxurious gold-embroidered suit. Then, choose your aspect ratio, and since we're making a video, select the video option. Now hit send, and boom, you'll instantly see tons of image previews appear. After a short wait, your video will be ready. And honestly, the quality is top-notch, even better than some paid tools out there. You can easily create at least 20 high-quality videos every single day using Kling AI. By the way, Kling is also testing an audio-to-video feature. It's not perfect yet, sometimes it bugs out, but the video generation part works flawlessly, and that's what really matters. Once your video is ready, just download it, and you're good to go. Okay, let's move on to our next tool. This one's actually made by Microsoft, and it's called Bing AI Video Creator. Once you sign in and get to the main interface, you'll see 2 options, image and video. That means you can generate both photos and videos completely free right from here. But there's one thing to note, you can't turn an existing image into a video. It only works with text-to-video prompts. The process is super simple. Just type your prompt in the text box. I'm using the same one I used earlier. Then choose your aspect ratio, hit create, and boom! A new window will open and it'll start generating your video way faster than most other free tools. Once it's done, you'll notice right away. The video quality is actually impressive. Of course, it's not perfect. The visuals might look a bit off in some scenes, but for a completely free tool, I'd say the results are pretty solid. Bing AI performs best with short, straightforward prompts. When you go for something too complex, it tends to get a little messy. But don't worry, our next tool doesn't have that problem. It gives you high-quality results right out of the box. And yep, it's still completely free. Alright, our next tool is Vidful AI. Let's see what it can do for free. As soon as you sign in with Google, you get 8 credits. That's enough for 2 videos at 540p and 1 at 360p. The workflow is simple. Type your prompt into the prompt box. If you want, add an image as a reference, and the tool will use that to guide the video generation. Pick your format, vertical or horizontal, then hit generate. Rendering is pretty quick, and the result I got was decent for a free tool. You'll notice a watermark and the resolution is limited, but overall the generation quality is not bad. Vidful AI might not be a household name, but it delivers solid results. One thing to watch out for. Credits burn fast, so use them wisely. Alright, we've seen what Vidful can do. Our next tools give even better output, so let's move on to the next one. Our 4th tool, Aioniz AI, and it's been getting a ton of hype lately. With this one, you can actually generate high-quality AI videos for free. Once you sign in with your Google account, you'll instantly get 200 free credits. If you're outside the US, you'll get 100 credits. Still more than enough to test things out. After signing in, just head over to the Video tab. You'll see 2 options, Image to Video and Text to Video. You can use both, but for now, we'll go with Text to Video. Just type your prompt in the text box. I'm using the same one I used earlier. Then hit Enter or Generate. Since we're using the free version, it might take a few seconds, but once it's done, wow! The video quality is honestly impressive. I won't say anything. You guys let me know in the comments how it looks. But personally, I'd say it's top-notch for a free tool. And about that watermark at the bottom, no worries, you can easily crop it out in any video editing app. Now, let's check out our last AI tool and probably the best free AI video generator tool in the world. And it's not the other one, it's VO2. Just search Google AI Studio. Once you open this website, select the VO2 option. With this tool, you can easily create 4 or 5 videos a day, and the quality is top-notch since it's a Google product. You can generate videos either by uploading an image or simply using text prompts. For example, I've pasted a sample prompt here. Just hit send and wait. By the way, if you see an error, don't panic. That usually happens because a lot of people are using Google Studio at the same time, so the server gets overloaded. Just keep hitting send until it goes through. And once the video starts generating, you'll see how insanely realistic it looks. Honestly, no one would even guess it was made with AI. I haven't tested how many free videos you can make per day yet. Now let's try something more fun and simple. Here's my new prompt. A realistic cinematic scene of the predator alien sitting and drinking a futuristic cold drink labeled Aioniz. The metallic can glows with neon blue light. Click create again, and just look at that. The simpler your prompt, the better the results. You can try a few different prompts yourself, and you'll see exactly what I mean. So try it out and let me know in the comments. Also, tell me which AI tool you liked the most. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel.